Hello students, as you all know that we are having a fight against COVID-19. Due to that, we are unable to run on our school. So through this video, I Shuchi is here before you with the first chapter of English grammar, and that is sentence. So let's begin. Now we will know about sentences. First of all, we will learn about the definition of sentence. A sentence is a complete thought. It contains at least one subject and one predicate. It can stand by itself and still make sense. For example, the river has created many magnificent canyons. Sentence can be divided into two sections, subject and predicate. Now, what is subject? A subject is something or someone that does something. For example, look at example number 1. Ahmad studied the lesson. In this sentence, Ahmad is someone for whom we are talking. And look at the example number last. This car is very expensive. In this sentence, we are talking about something. Now we will talk about predicate. The predicate is the part of the sentence other than the subject, or we can say apart from the subject. It must contain a verb. Here is the example. A thief stole the car. In this sentence, a thief is our subject and stole the car is our predicate. Next example, his brother is a teacher. His brother is our subject and is a teacher is our predicate. Next, the rain has been falling steadily. The rain is our subject and remaining section is our predicate. Next, Ahmad will be coming soon. Ahmad is our subject and the remaining content is our predicate. Now we will talk about the kinds of sentences. How many kinds of sentences we are having. As you can see on the screen, we are having 4 types of sentences. First one is statement, or we can say declarative sentence. The second is question or interrogative sentence. Third one, exclamation or exclamatory sentence. Fourth is command or imperative sentence. First, we will take declarative sentences. A declarative sentence is also called a statement. It states or tells information. It always ends with a period. Here we are having the examples. We will have a great year. Second, Winding Creek is the best school there is. Now we will proceed with the second one, that is imperative sentences. An imperative sentence gives a command or makes a request. It ends with a period. The examples are: first, Mom, please tie my shoes. Second, open your mouth. Third, please bring the pizza to the table. Fourth, Mark, do all of your homework before you go out to play. The last, do 10 push ups and 20 jumping jacks. Now we will talk about exclamatory sentences. An exclamatory sentence shows excitement or strong feelings and it ends with an exclamation point. In other words, we can say that strong and sudden feelings can be shown by exclamatory sentences. It ends with an exclamation mark. Examples: first, what a sight the sunset is. Second, how thoughtful Tom was to rake the leaves. Third, I'm so happy that Sarah won the iPod. At last, we will talk about interrogative sentences. Most of you are familiar with it and it is going to be quite easy for you. An interrogative sentence asks a question. It ends with a question mark. For example, may I borrow your newspaper? Did you turn the light off? Third, what is your favorite song? Fourth, do you ride the bus? In the last, have you ever visited New York City?
Thank you very
So here we have completed our first chapter about sentences. Thank you.